Are you one of those people that feel like therapy doesn't work, or therapy is not for me, or I don't have a mental health disorder so I don't need to go to therapy? Well, stay tuned to watch this video so I can tell you how therapy does work. So first, what is therapy? Therapy is a proven method that teaches you how your mind works. It also teaches you how to navigate your feelings, as well as to control your behaviors better and be able to cope with things better than the negative thinking that sometimes we all have. The goal is to eventually get you to a place where you don't have to come to therapy anymore, so that you can cope and live your best life on your own. How does therapy work? Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find a therapist. Finding a therapist is very important. Ways to find a therapist, that's another video, but finding a therapist that you can relate to is very important. I went through 2 therapists myself before I found a therapist that actually worked for me. So just because you have a bad experience with one therapist, that's not it. Do not give up. Look for another therapist that's more relatable to you, or that you feel that understands you better or can help you better. But you can't just give up because one therapist didn't work. It's just like if you had a personal trainer and he didn't, push you enough, or he didn't give you what you was looking for, then you would go and find a different personal trainer. Have that same energy when you're thinking about your therapist. What most people don't know about how therapy works is the first thing is that you're in control. As long as you come in therapy with the mindset of being open, as well as being truthful about everything that you're experiencing and going through, and we're not talking about you don't have to go all the way back to childhood if that's not where your issue lies. If it's something present day, you just need to be open about it and truthful about it. And when you do that, you're in control, because we go off of what you give us. We're not psychics. So if it's not like you sitting there and you're telling me, oh, my husband is this, and I'm gonna pull out your brain and say your husband is cheating. No, you have to tell us the information, and we feed off that to help you get through those emotions or feelings or whatever it is that you're going through. So you're in control. That's what a lot of people don't know about therapy, is that you're actually in control of how that session goes. You give us something and we feed off of that. Another thing that people don't know about how therapy works is that it's very personalized treatment. There's no blueprint. If your friend came to therapy and referred you to, let's say, myself or anybody else, and they had an experience that dealt with this and that, don't come there thinking that that's going to be your same treatment plan, because it won't. Your friend may have had some childhood trauma, or their experience may be very different from yours based on what's going on in their lives. So don't come and think that there's a blueprint, an order set that we go to and say, okay, she's having anxiety. Okay, well, you know what? We're gonna do this, and that. Or her husband cheated on her, or his wife cheated on him, so we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. It doesn't work like that. It's very personalized treatment. Very personalized. Another thing about therapy is that we're there to help you reach your personal goals, whatever they may be. If you're going through, some financial loss because you lost your job, we're there to, 1, let you vent about it. 2, talk to us about how it makes you feel, how it's affecting your life. And also, we can help give you resources or talk to you about coping through that. Because you may take it and be like, you know what, I lost my job, the world is over, this is all I know, all processing from a negative, and we can help you process from a positive that can get you on to your next job or career or whatever it may be that's next. So we're there to also help you reach your personal goals. Another way therapy works is contrary to what most people believe, we're not there to keep you coming for the rest of your life. A lot of people will think it's a money game. Oh, we're just, spoon feeding you a little bit of this and a little bit of that because we want to keep you there. No, that is not the goal. The goal is not to keep you in therapy for the rest of your life. The goal is to get you to a point where you can function and process, negative emotions in a positive way, or, negative coping mechanisms in a positive coping way. We're there to help you progress in life. We're not there to keep you in therapy forever. You can come sit on my couch all day. where you can come via telemedicine all day and talk to me about what's bothering you, but you're going to have to do some work. Some of it requires journaling, some of it requires deep breathing. It's different, it's very personalized. So those are a few ways that therapy works for those of you who have, all these myths about why you shouldn't go to therapy or how it works. I hope that answer a few of the questions. There are many more ways than how it works, but those are a few. So like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Angel, the Psych MP. Ciao.